Hello, this is Kevin from kboss2hm.co.uk. So tonight I want to talk about reporting. Reporting as in if you've got problems, let's say you've really done something bad to the site, like deleted something you shouldn't have, and you get a lovely white screen and it says this site is temporarily unavailable. You know, where do I get the information now, because I can't actually log into Drupal, so I'm kind of like lost. On the other hand, if it's not a major thing that you've done, it's going to come up in logs as long as you've got it selected, and by default logs is on. So I'll just quickly jump in here with me on site. So if I go to configuration, well, actually no, let's go straight to report, like recent logged messages. As you can see, Google's having a little bit of fun here with the new design, but never mind, good for Google. They will get the but you can see, you can also, you can click on these, jump into them, you can see who it was, their IP, etc. But also gives you an idea of, kind of error. So we've got an error there. The category business is missing. Must have been a default. We're not too worried about that. So that's the easy one, if it's not a minor issue. If it's a more major issue and you can't get into Drupal at all, well, locally you can jump over to your server. cPanel is going to come to the rescue. So let's click that off and let's jump into cPanel. So I'm into cPanel here, and we're going to jump first. There's one place to look. Let's look for it, which is errors. We can jump in there, and the server, I don't know if you've did something bad with the HT access or something like that. The error's going to come in here if you pointing the site to the wrong place, or you've totally messed the HT access. It's most likely going to come into here. But if it's not here, not all's lost. There's another place we can go to check for errors with Drupal. There is a fallback as such. So this one's really easy to find as well. Just jump into your file manager and go into public HTML, and then if we go in interest, I'm not sure, is it a dot file? Remember to always show your hidden dot files. So let's go and find this little file, and it should be here, and there it is. So there's error log, and let's just jump into this for a second. So as you can see, all the errors. So if your website's not working, everything, it's going to fail back, and it's going to go into this log, and you'll be able to access this log. And I've used this a few times when I've seen sites like totally done for, and you can't figure out what's going wrong, and it comes in here. And at the minute this is having a little bit of fun because it just had a new theme put in, and yeah, I haven't been to check all the bugs yet, but it's there for you to use and see. You can't do any damage by looking at it. Even if you're just moving your site over and you got the wrong password, it's going to come up here, as you can see there. So there you go. That's Drupal error logs. Thanks for watching. Very quick video. Hope this is useful to you, and I hope to see you around soon.